Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I want to tell you about my new favorite friend in the kitchen. It's cute, durable, and functional for a multitude of needs. This adorable trivet tree from Calmpathz is exactly what I was looking for. I'm so impressed with its durability. I have used these over and over again. I put piping hot pans on them for an extended period of time. They've sat there throughout our entire dinner, and they show no signs of scorch marks. Not to mention, when they're done, you simply stack them back together to make an adorable tree that serves as a centerpiece and a conversation point. I love the look of the wood. You can see the grain lines, and it's like a little art piece on my dining room table even when it's not in use. Another thing that I really like about these is that you can use them as coasters to protect your furniture from watermarks. And when these get wet, all you do is dry them off and stack them back up for next time. So this would also be cute on your coffee table. So if you're looking for a cute and functional way to protect your furniture from watermarks and scorch marks, then I highly recommend this adorable trivet tree from Calmpathz. I absolutely love it, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.